The man whose foot was allegedly broken after St. James cop used his baton to strike him is speaking out this evening, telling his side of the story. What did he have to say about the incident, which went viral on social media last Tuesday? Lana Franklin tells his story.
In a TVJ exclusive, Bruce Little McFarlane, while admitting he used an expletive, believes the policeman's focus should not have been on him, but rather another incident that was taking place at the time.
He stepped over to me and I said, no, arrest me. Can you hear me a curse bad word? Because I just talk to the doctor, I just call some bad word to the doctor and I ask him, say, if you know, you're the driver, say, for watch the bus. Because the police say, will take you away. We take you away. So he tell him to watch the bus and he not give your eyes. So I curse a bad word to the doctor. So he come across the same time and ask me who me the curse bad word to. That's how you may curse bad word to my boss. So he said, I'm going to arrest me. So I say, for what? And I say, you're going to arrest me for what? See, the man don't go, so just take one chain and one phone for one lady. And then you for go arrest.
Mr. McFarlane said he did not believe he was doing anything wrong. He told TVJ News that after receiving the injury, he was taken to the hospital by the policeman.
When I look in one police come on, one different police. So I sign my name. So I sign my name on a piece of paper. I don't know what kind of paper, but I sign it. He said, other police here, I don't want to when I go to court. Other police here don't have a case. So I said to him, no, this police can't have a case because this police don't have nothing. I me and you for their court. Anyway, he come out of the hospital and go and come back again with a different policeman again. So this a policeman and I don't sit in a court. So I say, oh, you have a minute to carry one different police and show me, say, them I don't see a court. And me and you in an argument, and you broke my foot. So you don't show me different, you don't show me no different police.
Mr. McFarlane says the incident, which took place on Harbour Street in the vicinity of the Baywex complex in Montego Bay, is a life-changing experience for him.
From my foot broke, I know no go to school. So see them this one day. I know the next two no go to school. I want to take exam and I know the teacher saying can't bother because a couple of days pass out, couple of days of school. So he can't bother take this exam till next year again. He hold me right back to my boss, right back, he set me back, right back. Because I don't have nobody to help me. I don't have nobody to help me, boss. See, them woman not working, and I alone used to come load bus and thing and make money and go into them.
The policeman has since been taken off frontline duty. Lana Franklin, TVJ News.